I know my insurance company will cover treatment if my diabetes gets worse. Will it be the same for my depression?
I'm worried that if I'm honest with my doctor about how much I drink, I'll get denied other coverage.
My daughter needs treatment for her opioid use. Our whole family wants to get her help, but we're not sure if our insurance will cover her treatment and we can afford it.
I know my mental health is just as important as my physical health, but I'm not sure my insurance company feels the same way.
These are the voices of people who need and deserve mental health parity for themselves and for their family members. Not long ago, most insurance plans openly discriminated against those needing mental health and addiction treatment. Thankfully, in 2008, that changed. The Mental Health Parity and Addiction Equity Act of 2008, also known as the Federal Parity Law, requires health insurers to cover illnesses of the brain, such as depression or addiction, no more restrictively than illnesses of the body, such as diabetes or cancer. For example, the Federal Parity Law mandates that both in- and out-of-network coverage must be the same for behavioral health and physical health within most insurance plans. So, if an insurer covers a certain percentage of an out-of-network doctor's bill to treat a broken arm or heart disease, the insurer must cover the same amount for an out-of-network mental health or substance use disorder provider's bill to treat depression or opioid addiction. Sadly, most insurers are not in compliance with the law because enforcement efforts have been too weak. That's one of the reasons former Congressman Patrick J. Kennedy, lead author of the Federal Parity Law, continues to fight for equal access to care through his nonprofit organization, the Kennedy Forum. The Kennedy Forum strives to unite mental health advocates, business leaders, government regulators, and others in achieving full implementation and enforcement of the Federal Parity Law. Without the law's protection, many people become overwhelmed with treatment costs and give up or suffer in silence. Recovery from mental health and substance use disorders is possible with treatment. By understanding your rights under the Federal Parity Law, you can help break down barriers to care once and for all. Visit www.don'tdenyme.org to learn more.